So today we have the new Hikvision Wi-Fi Video Doorbell, the DS-HD1, 3 megapixel. And let's talk about what's in the box.
What's in the box?
Let's open this thing up. So, first thing off top is we have a quick start guide. Tells you how to make things work, I assume. Of course, right here we have the actual doorbell itself. It's pretty slick looking. We like that. We have a tool, which is similar to other video doorbells. Tool for installation. Then inside of here, we have our accessory kit, which I'm assuming this is going to be the booster for the mechanical doorbell. Some wire nuts. This is either going to be a fuse or a diode. Once I read the instructions, I'll figure that part out. Miscellaneous wires and screws inside of here. Then we also have these fancy mounting plates, which is awesome. Started seeing these more recently with doorbells, and what they do is allow you to mount your doorbell in certain situations. Let's say you have a doorbell that needs to face down some, we have a wedge, right? Let's say we have some that needs to go towards the left or towards the right, we have a wedge for that. Then I'm assuming this is just a spacer, right? Then we have a black cover for the doorbell. This one's white. So you have the option for white, black, or gray. And this is a gasket. This is a little rubber gasket to go, I'm assuming, between the wall and the doorbell itself, but after we read the instructions, we'll figure all that out. But that's pretty much it. What's in the box?